Hey guys, as you saw in the last video, we have taken apart the well, not taken apart, we've taken the rear axle off, revealed a load of rust in the rear quarter, rear arch, taken the rear wheels off, the axle from one side, and that's about it really. We've taken all the internals off, well, most of the internals. So in today's video, what I plan to do is remove all the running gear from the rear left hand side. That's the plan. I want to take these mouldings off on both sides. I'm going to try and drop the fuel tank, and I want to sand this back, well, wire wheel it back to see how bad. That's going to be bad anyway, but I'm just curious to see how high I've got to go with the cut when I come to cut the arch, because I bought 2 spare arches, but the one I've bought has been repaired already, so I want to see how bad it is. So that's my plan for today. So if I can take the fuel tank off, remove the running gear from that side, I've got to remove the shock still, try and rub this down just to see how high it goes. Like I said, I've got 2 spare arches there. They're not in the best condition, but they're way better than what I've got already. So, and same thing here, I'm going to get rid of this just to see how bad it is underneath. Then I want to lower the car, move the car backwards, because I think I might have made a mistake in the fact that I've got the car so far forwards I might not be able to get my engine hoist in. So the plan is to lower the car, get the engine hoist roughly in place, or at least be able to move it in place. And I want to start taking off all the auxiliaries, like all the wiper motors, all the cowling, maybe the seal around the windscreen. I'm not bothered if I crack the windscreen, it's got that many stone chips in it anyway, it's going to crack for sure when I take it out. I might try and take the aerial off as well, and just keep taking stuff off the car. That's my main goal at the moment, just strip the car so I can start doing the bodywork. Right, let's go.